We'll guide you through how to use Claude Web effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Web homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Start by clicking on the Sign Up button if you don't have an account yet. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. If you already have an account, just click on Log In and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Here, you can access various features Claude offers. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. Name your project and select the template that best suits your needs. Claude Web offers various templates for different tasks, like writing, data analysis, and project management. Once your project is set up, you can use the intuitive tools to add your data or content. To add a new section, simply click on the Add Section button and choose the type of content you want to input. If you need help, the Help icon on the top right provides access to tutorials and customer support. You can also collaborate with others by clicking the Share button. This allows you to invite team members to your project. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking the Save button at the top of the page to avoid losing any progress. Claude Web also offers integration with other apps, so check the settings to link your favorite apps for a smoother workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.